Let's swap a motor. You'll need a wrench, a T20 and a T25 torx bit, electric drill if needed, and a rubber mallet. We'll change a City Robin X Plus motor first. Use the wrench with a T20 torx bit to remove all 6 screws. Here you can use your electric drill to speed things up. Thread the nut onto the axle until it's nearly flush. This ensures the hammer strikes the nut rather than the axle. Give it a few hits on the nut and the motor should slide right out. Once you remove the nut, you can take out the motor. That's it. To install a new motor, simply follow the same steps in reverse. Now, let's replace the Stellar Falcon motor. Use a wrench with a T25 torx bit to remove all 6 screws. An electric drill can speed up the process. Next, thread a nut onto the axle until it's nearly flush. Give the nut a few firm taps and the motor should slide out. Once the nut is off, you can fully remove the motor. To install a new motor, just follow these steps in reverse.